Equipment maintenance is definitely not the hottest topic, but it is often something that is overlooked. And the caliber of equipment and the way that you maintain it sends such a powerful message to your members and creates a sense of loyalty with them. Even older equipment that is well looked after and cleaned is something that is greatly appreciated. You, as a business, as a gym owner, are in the word of mouth business. People go to your gym because their friends and family told them to do so. So the best way to connect is to send the message that you care about the equipment that's in your gym. The simplest and most effective way of doing that is simply to schedule regular maintenance responsibilities to your staff or to hire specialists. And this can be as often as twice a month, regular checks, or every 6 months, depending on the volume of your job.